When you enter the exhibition, you begin in Room 1. The exhibition is divided into different rooms according to the branch of science that it focuses on. On the first floor, the focus is on Earth sciences, and there are 5 rooms, each dealing with a different aspect of this theme, from rainforest ecology to polar exploration. But the focus of the first room is the world's oceans. There are various interactive displays, and the one on coral reefs is not to be missed. Leaving this first room, you walk into a corridor, and here you have a choice of rooms to go into next. I suggest going into the one on the right first. This room is devoted to the world's highest places, and there is a very interesting video on the effects of altitude on the human body. Returning to the corridor, you should then cross into the room directly opposite. Here, the emphasis is on the world's coldest environments, and the interactive display showing the effects of climate change and global warming on these hostile environments is well worth a visit. You should leave this room by the door on the far side, which will take you through to the next room. Here, the displays deal with the areas on either side of the equator, and particularly the rainforest. Here, an exhibition of research into the diversity of species these areas support is fascinating. Leaving this room, you find yourself back in the main corridor, on the other side of which is our last room on this floor. Here we look in detail at the world's driest places, and you can see a fascinating video about how plant species have learnt to make the most of scarce water resources in an environment without rivers and lakes.